Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll try out Angular 4 if-else scenario. So I have already preset of Angular CLI application which is running. So let's just open the browser and hit 4200 and it says app works. Now let's just try different scenarios. So let me have div along with if condition, and let's say drink and drive is not a good idea. So if you have drunk, let's say do not drive. Now I'd like to show you this thing in form of Angular 2 that we are doing it. So basically we'll be having two ngif. So to perform else part we'll be having the opposite condition. So let's say if it is not, let's go to Vegas. So if drink is not there, then you can go to Vegas. If you haven't drunk, go to Vegas. So this is Angular 2 version. Let's try with Angular 4. So in case of Angular 4, once you have drink, you can have semicolon and put else clause here, and let's say drive. Now what does this mean, else drive? Well, this drive is nothing but a local variable that will be right here. Let's say drive, and instead of div I would like to use ng template. And yeah, you haven't drunk, let's go to Vegas. So what's happening here is nothing but first it's checking whether the drink is exist. If yes, then let's give a message do not drive, but drink is not exist, so it is going to the else part, that else go to drive. So what drive is? Drive is a local variable which is initialized with hash drive in ng template element. So when it goes to else, it displays this part, as simple as it is. Now let's just create a variable called drink, so we can display the if part. Rather, let's say boolean. I'm just making it, saving it, and it says let's go to Vegas. Till it's false, let's just create true, and now it's true, and it says do not drive. That means if part is executed, do not drive. Now I can use along with this ngIf a different expressions and conditions, some kind of operators. Let's say app, and now my conditions would be like title equal to Angular 4 examples. So let's just save it. And now what happened? Okay, single equal, let's just get double. Okay, now it says let's go to Vegas. That means you have drunk, that is true, and title is this. Then let's go to Vegas. Now let's just change this value to this and save it. And now it says do not drive. So similarly you can have or operator, less than greater than, it's the same syntax, nothing new. So this is nothing but the if else scenario. Now let's try with the if then else scenario. So in this case what we'll be doing is, let me create another div, and let's just put ng if now if drink, then let's say do not drive, else drive. It's very simple. Then okay, so now it says do not drive once drink is true, so we have to add one more template. Let's give the name same as the then part, do not drive, and let's just put some text in this. Not a good idea to drive when you drink. Let's just save it. And now it displays the then part, not a good idea to drive when you drink. So now if I put something inside this div, let's say etc., that will be ignored, because now this div, the role of this div is just to handle your expression. It's just a container of your expression. So what's happening is that if the drink variable is exist, then it will execute then part, else it will execute the else part, that is drive. So this is useful when you wanna separate your conditional part, expression part, and your rendering part. So that is nothing but the if then else scenario. So I think that's it for the if else part. Nothing more in it. So we'll try some animation features in Angular 4 in our next tutorial. So yeah, do stay tuned with me and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.